In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Google Ads. By the end, your Shopify store and Google Ads will be talking to each other so you can sync data, track performance, and make smarter advertising decisions with less manual work. We'll start inside your Shopify store. Install the official Google app from the Shopify App Store and open it. The app will walk you through connecting to your Google account, and you'll want to use the same Google account that already has access to your Google Ads account. When you're prompted, review and accept the permissions. This is normal and lets the app share the data needed for your ads to work properly. If you're asked to confirm your store or domain, follow the prompts and complete any quick checks the app requests. A quick tip here: make sure pop-up blockers are off and you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser to avoid authentication hiccups. Once connected, you should see a confirmation in the app that your Shopify store is linked to Google. Now, switch over to your Google Ads dashboard. From the navigation, click on Tools. This opens the area where you manage settings and connected data. Choose Data Manager. This is where Google Ads lists your approved data sources and partners so you can keep everything centralized and transparent. Inside Data Manager, select Shopify. This tells Google Ads you want to bring in data from your Shopify store through the integration you just set up. If you have multiple stores, you may see more than one option. Choose your Shopify store as the data source and confirm. That's it. Your store is now linked. If you don't see your store right away, give it a few minutes and refresh. Then verify in the Shopify app that the connection to your Google account is active. Double check that you're logged into the same Google account in both Shopify and Google Ads. If the app asks you to review a setting or complete a quick verification, finish that step and return to Data Manager. With the connection in place, Google Ads can receive the right data from Shopify to support your campaigns. This helps with accurate tracking, makes product updates seamless if you're running shopping-style campaigns, and reduces manual errors. Keep an eye on your Data Manager to confirm the status is active, and you can revisit it anytime if you need to troubleshoot or change connections. And that's all there is to it. You've installed the Google app in Shopify, connected it to your Google Ads account, selected Shopify in Data Manager, and chosen your store as the data source. You're ready to run smarter ads.